Morning, fellas. Yeah, I was going to chart this, but it's probably easier just to say it. For anyone who's in FLM, that was my personal trend line I had from that sort of close of that candle cutting across, and it just poked its head out and came back, and I had a take profit order on that 618 line, somewhere like that, and the late 102s, 103s just got tapped, which was cool. My personal stop is underneath this. What's this? 4 hours? Yeah, either in the bottom of it or just underneath that 4 hour candle. So again, it's teasing it. It might get taken out. It's too hard to say. Sometimes these trend lines, they do run up against it and they pop past it. And obviously, as everyone knows, I mean, I'm just seeing this now, to be honest, off the cuff. It may create us a bit of a inverse head and shoulders. Sometimes these like to be a bit, come back right down, test the cloud, and then go, that looks like an awful mess. But if you're patient, I think that's an easy target to get to in the next few days. But obviously, if you're on leverage like I was and you want to protect yourself, then sometimes you got to get the stops up quick. It's just a fucking shame. I had about 6 trades which absolutely flew in the night, 5, 6, 10% up, whatever, plus times 5 leverage, times 10 leverage, whatever people use. It was looking good, and sod's law, it comes back and bites you in the ass the minute you get up and put the kettle on. But I'm out this morning. I'm actually off work, so I'm actually going out to play golf, so I can't really complain. But I'm not going to be on the chart, so that's why I'm taking a bit more of a cautious approach. But for those on low leverage or spot from some of our plays, I don't think there's anything drastic. We may retrace, but it's always going to bump up and down. Anyway, good luck, fellas.